Hello friends, welcome to my channel. First of all, happy Independence Day to you all. In this video, you are going to learn about some amazing and interesting facts about our independence and about our flag. Then violate, come on.
Happy Independence Day to all my dear friends.
When is the Independence Day? 15th August 2021. India's Independence Day is significant as it stands as a reminder of the sacrifices of many freedom fighters made to get independence from the British rule. And we are celebrating its 75th Independence Day on August 15th, 2021 with the usual pride to mark its freedom from the British rule. Why do we celebrate our independence? India's Independence Day is significant as it stands as a reminder of the sacrifices that many freedom fighters made to get independence from that British rule. It is a national holiday and it is usually observed throughout the nation with the hoisting of the tricolor, parades, and cultural events. What are the top 3 fundamental duties of an Indian citizen? First one, to abide by the constitution and respects its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthems. Number 2, to cherish and follow the noble ideas which inspired our national struggle for freedom. Number 3, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Major events on Independence Day. The motto of this Independence Day is Nation First, Always First. Independence Day 2021. This year, the theme of the day is Nation First, Always First. To honor the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters and the glorious path laid down for the generations by them. India will be celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, marking the 75th year of the independence of August 15th. Our country gained freedom from the British rule on 15th August 1947. This day holds its place in the heart of the every Indian. On this day, India's tricolor is flag hoisted on the Red Fort of Delhi. The Prime Minister addresses the nation and a military parade will be held on the broadcast all over the country. Some amazing and interesting facts about economy of India and England. At the end of the 19th century, England's economic support is India. The trade was started with spices which was extended to tea, tobacco, grains, sugar, textiles and also gold, silver, diamonds, etc. If we calculate the money and the property that was exported to England is more than $3 trillion, approximately 225 lakh crores. This was told by an Indian writer named Minhas Merchant. Before the British came to India, India accounts for more than 23% of the world economy. England's share was only 1.8%. After British rule, it fell to 3% and England's economy rose to 10%. Then how did this end? After World War One, some countries like Australia, New Zealand, South Africa became independent. After Second World War, Britain lost money and human resources enormously and not able to control all its colonies, and so it gave independence to all the countries and the colonies it occupied. First flag of India is designed by Sister Nivedita. Present flag is designed by Pengali Venkaya. First flag hoisted at Kolkata on 7th August 1906. Rules and regulations of Indian national flag. According to flag code rules, Indian flag's saffron color should always point up. Flag should be in the ratio of 3:2. It should be only 9 types of designs appointed by Indian Standards Bureau. Flags can be hoisted at government offices, schools, colleges, etc. Should not be used for business purposes. Should not write anything on the flag. Should not be thrown on water or ground intentionally. Should not be kept on the rear side of the vehicles. No other flag should be flown higher than the national flag and should not use an old or torn flag for hoisting. Old flags should be burnt or decomposed in a secret manner. These are the rules kept by Flag Committee on us about the use of the national flag. On 15th August 1947, between 31 gun salutes, Indian national tricolor flag rose into the air and the Union Jack came down. On the next day at 8:30 a.m., between victorious trumpets, our flag was hoisted. Okay friends, if you celebrate this independence in a happy and cheerful manner, please like and share this video to everybody you know and subscribe my channel for giving me extra boost. Thank you.